Now, it's no secret that small and mid-sized businesses lose out on the talent wars. They don't get the same type of talent that the bigger companies get, and it poses a problem. Every small business owner has in the back of their head what is going to happen when a bigger, better company comes by and offers more money or more opportunity to my workers. We have a retention problem in the small business community. While the small business is the economic driver and the backbone of the economy, they're not as strong in creating and maintaining jobs. That is where Empower Me Institute comes in. We've created a line of courses and classes that are there for you to have for your team members and your staff, as well as for yourselves as leaders and business owners. We have the leadership track, which is designed specifically for CEOs and owners of companies. We have the Small Business Academy, which is a series of courses that you can take or your team can take to help build those skills you need and make your team more flexible and more powerful to work and more loyal to work within your company and stay and keep those skills right at home with your company. And we also have the Entrepreneurs Academy, and that is for people who are looking to launch their businesses and keep those skills going. Sometimes you have to be that one-person shop or that mom-and-pop shop for a while. So it's best to have the best education that you can. We let you take individual courses. You can subscribe to one of the tracks, the academies, Small Business Academy, Leadership Academy, or Entrepreneurs Academy, or you can custom design your own curriculum to meet the needs of your company. And then, of course, we have customized training that we come on site and we do for your business as well. So as you can see, Empower Me Institute is a great alternative for affordable education, is there for employee retention, and to keep the continuing education and the momentum of learning going on an ongoing experiential basis.